Fumoto drain valve. Clean and easy oil changes. I'm going to show you guys in a video that is less than 3 minutes long, I hope. These Fumoto drain valves, you can have it for about $30, $40, $50, depending on the model that you need for your particular car or truck. Now, I got mine for my son's truck a couple years ago. We love it. It's doing great. No leaks whatsoever. And it really makes the oil changes kind of fun to do, especially because you're not worried about any kind of messes or leaks. The best thing about these drain valves is you can buy these kits if you want, or you can go out and you can probably get it cheaper, these little tubes that'll attach to it. But you can pick up these kits that will attach a nipple to the drain valve so that you can go directly into whatever container that you want to put the dirty oil in. And this is the game changer for me. They're super easy to work with. You just put the tube onto the nipple. And look, let's all be grown-ups here, okay? And then you just stick the tube down into your container. Now, the valve itself is great because you have to actually, it's spring mounted, spring loaded. I don't know. But anyways, it stays locked, and you have to lift it up and turn it to open the valve to let the oil out. And then grab yourself a beer, go sit down, watch the game, do whatever for a good 20, 30 minutes. Let all that oil go down in there. And again, you can just put the tube directly inside your container. Don't have to mess with any kind of oil going anywhere. I love this. Wanted to show you guys. If you have any questions, let me know. Highly recommend it. And then when you're done, you just kind of move it over, and then it sits down into its locked position. And then to open it, you lift it and turn it. So highly recommend it. We've had it for a couple years. I'm putting it onto all of my cars as I do the oil changes, just so that going forward, don't have to worry about messy oil changes ever again.